Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done the basics about e-commerce. That is, what is e-commerce, how it is used, and advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. And today we'll be looking for the types of e-commerce. Right? Basically, there are different modes in which we are performing e-commerce. For example, business to business. Business to business means two businesses used to communicate with each other, or they buy or sell products among each other. Second is business to consumer. That is business directly contacts to the consumer. Then consumer to business is consumers directly contact to the businesses. And then fourth one is consumer to consumer. Here there will be a direct communication among the two consumers. They sell their product to each other and share the benefits too, right? And the last one is business to government. In many of the forms, like businesses help gives services to the government directly contacts to the businesses, so it will be easy, and it will be like very much uh, convenient for them, right? It can be related to time or cost, anything, right? So business to business can be open to all the interested parties, or the limited to specific or a pre-qualified participants. They already have their like communication with each other, and they participate in the business. Companies doing business with each other, such as manufacturing, selling to distributors, and wholesalers selling to retailers, right? See this diagram, you can see here, right? Then business to consumer. Here businesses directly gives product to the consumer. Businesses selling to the general public, typically through the catalogs, utilizing shopping carts, softwares, etc. Business to consumer is the indirect trade between the company and the consumers, right? It provides direct selling through the online mode also. Various websites are available which can be used for this purpose. Then consumer to business. Consumers also can communicate to the businesses and sell their products. For example, if we are creating a project, we can post the project to the set of online options available within the hour of the companies, and they will utilize it. They can You can give your quotations. The consumers reviews the bids and selects the company that will complete the project. So business to consumer to business empowers consumers around the world by providing meeting ground and platform for such transactions. Then comes your consumer to consumer. Here is this is new. We cannot say new, but yes, it is in trend these days. Here the consumers used to communicate with each other. They share their products and services to each other. So eBay is the good example. It facilitates the online transaction of goods and services between the two people. Okay, though there is no visible intermediary involved, but parties cannot carry out transactions without the platform. It can be so platform is eBay, for example, right? Multiple examples are available, right? Next is business to government. This is also one type of you can say e-commerce, where government directly communicates to the businesses to take the services or goods. So the benefits will be given, will be provided to the government in case as they are directly uh, interacting with the businesses. So see here, some of the examples are there. Individual purchasing of the book, government employee reserves a hotel in the room, business buys office supplies online, or manufacturing plant orders the electronic components. Any of the example can be taken. uh, as you people know, e-commerce is very common these days, so multiple examples are there. Uh, you see here are few of the images I am going to show you. See, Amazon, Markefoni, Gitti Gudiya, all these examples are there which people are using. See here. So hope you all got my point, and thank you for listening. See, multiple examples are there. I'm showing you through the slide. See, thank you. The second slide I have already shown you. See, students, as you people belongs to BBA, you must be aware of all these companies' names. It may be very common for you all, right? This is not displaying actually. So hope you got the topic. For any of your queries, you can message me or call me as per your requirement. Okay. Good day, students.